Have you ever heard of a place where people, planes, and even ships disappear without a trace? Imagine a land, vast and chilling, nestled up north. A place shrouded in mystery and intrigue, known as the Alaska Triangle. Stretching from the southeastern town of Juneau to the icy peaks of Barrow and anchoring down in Anchorage, this enigmatic region mirrors the perplexing phenomena of its southern cousin, the Bermuda Triangle. So strap on your snow boots and bundle up. Welcome to the Alaska Triangle, the Bermuda Triangle of the North. The Alaska Triangle first came into public consciousness in the early 1970s. This was a time when the world was still coming to grips with the concept of mysterious geographical regions where inexplicable occurrences took place. The Bermuda Triangle, with its tales of vanished ships and planes, had already captured the global imagination. But the icy wilderness of Alaska was about to offer its own enigma. In 1972, a small private plane carrying 4 people, including the United States House Majority Leader, Hale Boggs, vanished without a trace over the Alaskan wilderness. Despite an extensive search that was, at the time, the largest in US history, no wreckage or clues were ever found. The disappearance of such a high-profile figure was a chilling reminder of the unforgiving nature of this region. This event, however, was not isolated. Numerous other disappearances and strange occurrences had been reported within this area over the years. From small aircrafts to hikers and hunters, many who ventured into this vast wilderness were simply never heard from again. The number of missing cases within this area began to increase significantly, sparking a growing sense of unease. As public interest grew, so did the geographical boundaries of these incidents, forming what we now know as the Alaska Triangle. Spanning from the southeastern region of Juneau and Yakutat to the northern region of the Barrow Mountain Range, and anchoring in the city of Anchorage, this area covers a large part of the state. The Alaska Triangle, much like its Bermuda counterpart, was soon associated with a range of theories. From supernatural phenomena and extraterrestrial activities to more tangible possibilities like harsh weather conditions and human error, the explanations were as diverse as they were puzzling. Since then, the Alaska Triangle has been shrouded in mystery and intrigue. It continues to be a topic of fascination for adventurers, researchers, and those with a keen interest in the unexplained. Its tales of mystery and disappearance remind us of the vast unknown that still exists in some corners of our world. So, what could be behind these mysterious disappearances? Now there's a question that has sparked countless theories and beliefs. Let's delve into a few of them. For some, the answer lies in the realm of science. They point to geomagnetic anomalies, which are variations in the Earth's magnetic field. These anomalies could cause compasses and other navigation tools to malfunction, leading pilots and hikers astray. Others propose the existence of vortexes. These are areas where the pull of the planet's natural electrical currents is extraordinarily high. Some believe that these vortexes can create portals into other dimensions, possibly explaining why so many individuals and vehicles seem to vanish without a trace. But it's not just science that's been called upon to explain the mysteries of the Alaska Triangle. A number of more supernatural theories have also been posited. Some suggest that extraterrestrial activity is to blame. They contend that UFOs have been sighted in the area, and that these could be responsible for the disappearances. Others look to the lore of the indigenous Tlingit people, who speak of a shape-shifting creature known as Kushtaka, a cross between a man and an otter. This mythical creature, they say, lures people to water with its mimicry of a baby or a woman in distress, only to capture them and whisk them away. Then there are those who believe in the existence of a rip in the fabric of time itself. They propose that this time warp could swallow up planes, boats, and people, transporting them to another time or place. These theories and beliefs, as diverse as they are, all attempt to explain the unexplainable. They provide a way for us to make sense of the seemingly impossible occurrences that have taken place within the confines of the Alaska Triangle. Whether you believe in science or the supernatural, the Alaska Triangle continues to puzzle and fascinate. And while the truth may remain elusive, the allure of the unknown keeps us searching for answers. Over the years, the Alaska Triangle has claimed numerous victims, some more famous than others. Let's delve into the darkness and recount some of the most notorious disappearances that have taken place within its ominous boundaries. Perhaps the most chilling of all is the case of the Douglas Skymaster. In the early spring of 1950, this military transport aircraft, carrying 44 passengers, vanished into thin air. Despite extensive search efforts, no trace of the plane, nor any of its occupants, was ever found. The Skymaster's disappearance remains one of the most enduring mysteries of the Alaska Triangle. Now, cast your mind back further to the 1940s, a time when the world was embroiled in the throes of the Second World War. During these tumultuous years, an entire army mysteriously disappeared within the confines of the Alaska Triangle. The unit, comprised of over 5,000 soldiers, was stationed in the area for a training exercise. One day they simply vanished, leaving behind nothing but a chilling silence. Despite exhaustive investigations, their fate remains an enigma to this day. These two incidents are but a fraction of the many enigmatic cases that dot the history of the Alaska Triangle. Each one, a poignant reminder of the inexplicable power this region seems to wield. Over the years, hundreds of people have disappeared without a trace, their stories adding to the growing lore of this eerie region. It's not just people that disappear either. Aircraft, ships, and even vast swaths of forests have been known to vanish, only adding to the mystique and allure of this enigmatic location. Each disappearance, each unexplained event, weaves another thread into the complex tapestry of mystery that is the Alaska Triangle. These high-profile cases have only added to the mystique of the Alaska Triangle. Their inexplicability continues to fuel speculation and intrigue, inspiring countless explorations and investigations into this fascinating and fearsome region. In recent years, the mystery of the Alaska Triangle has continued to deepen. More and more, we're hearing about people, planes, and even boats that have vanished without a trace within this enigmatic region of the last frontier. From seasoned adventurers to local residents, the list of those swallowed by the Triangle's invisible maw keeps growing. Just last year, a group of experienced mountaineers disappeared while trekking through the heart of the Triangle. Despite extensive search and rescue efforts, not a single trace of them was ever found. In another incident, a small aircraft carrying 5 passengers vanished off the radar while flying over the area. Again, despite an exhaustive search, no wreckage or signs of the passengers have been discovered. But as these mysteries persist, so too do our efforts to solve them. Modern technology has been playing a critical role in these ongoing investigations. Advanced satellite imaging, for instance, is being employed to scan the vast and rugged terrain from the sky. Meanwhile, teams on the ground are utilizing sophisticated ground-penetrating radar to search beneath the surface, hoping to find some clue that might shed light on these baffling disappearances. Even with these high-tech tools, however, the Alaska Triangle continues to prove extraordinarily challenging. The area's harsh weather conditions, coupled with its dense forests and towering mountains, often hinder these technological aids. Drones, for example, have been known to malfunction within the Triangle, while satellite images are frequently blurred by heavy cloud cover or distorted by the region's magnetic anomalies. Still, we press on in our quest for answers. Scientists, researchers, and investigators from around the globe continue to probe the mysteries of the Alaska Triangle, driven by the hope that one day we might finally understand what's happening in this perplexing corner of the world. Despite our best efforts, the Alaska Triangle remains a mystery, its secrets as elusive as ever. From its discovery in the 1970s to the present day, the Alaska Triangle has been a source of unending fascination. This vast, wilderness-rich area, illustriously marked by its corners at Anchorage, Juneau, and Barrow, has been the backdrop for numerous unexplained events and disappearances. We've journeyed through the inception of the Alaska Triangle, unraveled the theories and beliefs that surround it, and delved into the chilling tales of famous disappearances. Theories abound, from supernatural forces, extraterrestrial involvement, to vortex energy fields, but none provide a definitive explanation, only adding to the enigma. We've also shed light on some of the most famous disappearances, from the vanishing of House Majority Leader Hale Boggs in 1972 to the unsolved mystery of the missing Douglas Skymaster in 1950. These cases, among countless others, have only deepened the intrigue and mystery surrounding the Alaska Triangle. In recent years, ongoing investigations have aimed to demystify the triangle. Yet, despite advancements in technology and exploration methods, the Alaska Triangle continues to baffle scientists and adventure seekers alike. Its mysteries remain largely unsolved, adding to the allure and the intrigue of this vast, uncharted territory. In the end, the Alaska Triangle serves as a reminder of the many mysteries that our world still holds, waiting to be discovered. Despite our strides in exploration and understanding, the unknown continues to captivate us, reminding us of our place in the infinite expanse of the universe.